bought these megaphone mufflers from Amazon. They're the second set of pipes in this video. The first set is stock with baffles. The Mutazu or Mutazu, however you say it, pipes have baffles as well, but they are removable. I don't feel like the sound is louder, just noticeably deeper. I like the sound better. I also notice a tiny bit of deceleration pop, very slight, and it seems like there's a little bit more power on the bottom end. Let me know what you think about the sound in comments below, and if you know how to pronounce Mutazu.